Okay, so I'm just going to go through my process for creating the Erasmus project. So the students have uploaded their video to Schoology, and over here you can see I have 4 ungraded assignment submissions right now. So if I click on that, that'll take me to one of the Erasmus projects. Go to 8th grade band. These are the students that I've already completed theirs, and you can see I still need to work on these two. So I'll pick Alexandra's project. It'll download it, and I can kind of preview the video right from Schoology, make sure she played everything correctly. And the first thing I want to do is download this movie just by clicking on it. So that'll start the download down here, and I will show in Finder. And when it's finished the download, this little bar will be full, and I can rename it. It's really important to stay organized with your file structure, and I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. Okay, so the video is downloaded, and I'm going to instantly rename that to Sasha Movie. So I know that it's her movie, and in a second I'll make a file that's Sasha Target, and that's her picture. I'm going to move that out of my downloads into my Erasmus stuff. The reason is my computer hard drive is full, and I've actually needed to connect an external USB hard drive. So all of these movie files and pictures are on an external drive so that I have enough space. I also put all of the movies and pictures into the same folder, and that makes it easier to find once you get into the Erasmus Studio. So I've got her movie. I'm going to go ahead and open it now from the hard drive. And again, you can click play just to make sure that it works. But mainly, Sasha did not attach her own personalized photo. So what I'm going to do is make my own screenshot by clicking Shift-Command-4. That'll bring up a cursor where I can just take a screenshot of the screen. And that saves to the desktop. So again, you want to stay organized with all of your files. So I go to my desktop folder. I got Tommy in there from before. Rename it Sasha Target. I can see I didn't move Stuart Target, so let's get him, or I moved him but I didn't copy him, so I can delete that. Sasha Target, Command Move, moves it rather than copying. Okay, so now I should be set up. We're going to test it out and see if this works when I go to Erasmus Studio. So I've got Schoology, Erasmus Studio open, ready to go. Create new aura, upload trigger image, browse, and it's already pointed to my Erasmus stuff. There it is, Sasha Target, open. Now at this point it's going to analyze the image, and this green means that's a good image that Erasmus will be able to identify. Now this is not the most flattering picture. I'll probably do a different one for Sasha. But Erasmus will be able to identify this. If you get a red error, and it might say it doesn't have enough unique features, you need to edit that picture. So what I've been doing is you can either use OpenOffice and just import that picture there and add a logo to it, or I've had a little more success with this program called Picture Collage Maker 3. So this is a picture that didn't come out well because there just wasn't enough stuff in there. It was too sparse. So I just added a band logo icon to that and then created that picture. So I made a new picture. And that one, Erasmus was able to see a little bit better. Okay, so we've got the picture. We'll say next. I'm going to upload the overlay. And again, it takes me right to my Erasmus file. And here's Sasha Movie. I'm going to upload it. Good. So now I've got her movie here, and this is what's going to show up over the target. But the problem is that it's upside down. So there's 2 solutions to that. The hard solution is to open this in QuickTime and try to rotate it from there. But the easier way to do it is, first of all, just make sure it fits the size of your original target. Okay, so now we have an upside down video. You go down here to 3D view, adjust the model overlay, and then from here, if you hold H, you can see all of the different things that you can do. And we want to rotate about Z. So I'm going to press and hold A, and when I do that, I get this little arrow, and that's going to, when I click and drag, this is turning the video upside down until it matches the trigger image. And then when I say OK, the video is right here, but you don't have to worry about that. It's actually going to show up correctly. So don't even touch that when you go back here. You're done. It'll work. It still looks like it's upside down, but I think it's going to work. So let's just say next, preview. And then from here, you just want to check and make sure. So I've got my iPad handy, Aurasma's loaded, and I'll check and make sure that it actually shows up correctly, which it does. No problem. She's right side up on the Aura. Close, and you're done. Now, the next step is you want to have a printout of Sasha's picture. So we're going to go back here to the Finder. We've got Sasha Target. I've also got a Pages file with all of the pictures right here in the file. And Pages just worked a lot easier in terms of positioning the pictures and marking it up. So let's go ahead and insert a page break. We'll drag Sasha Target into the file. Just kind of resize it, move it around a little bit so that it looks nice. I've also got just a little thing that I can put over it just for a caption. So I'm going to copy that and paste it. And then just call this Sasha's Clarinet Solo. That's it. Save. Finished.